Hi everyone. Today we are going to do the third part of vector. Here we are going to see that how we will find the formula. Last class we had done by graphical method, right? Today's class specifically we will focus. We will find the formula. Means ultimately analytical way of triangle law, paragram law, and polygon law. So all we are not going to derive, we will do specifically here parallelogram law related numericals will do in this topic. So let's see parallelogram law. Parallelogram law, if you will see, what was that? Tail head, right? And then second thing is what? You will have to make a parallelogram. Right. Let's consider here. So the resultant is going to be this one, right? Okay, all right. So now what we are going to see here, let's take another color. Let's take, this is vector A, this is vector B, right? And we got the resultant here R. Let's take, this is theta, this is alpha. So what is here? Magnitude of resultant R we want to find, or we can say derivation of what? Parallelogram law, that also we can say. So magnitude of resultant R and direction of alpha, like alpha will find basically. Okay, fine. So actually this was B. I just took this B here, right, for our convenience. Now let's see what we can say here. Let's take O, P, Q, and then let's take S. So triangle, if you will see triangle O, P, Q, right? OPQ triangle, if you will see, then we can say that OQ square, OQ square is equal to, not specifically Q, it's like OQ whole square, and we can say OP whole square plus we can say PQ whole square. Anyone can say this, but the problem with OP, it is divide to OS as well as SP. So let's consider OS plus what? SP whole square plus what? PQ whole square. Okay, now what we can do here is, if you'll break it, open it, then OS whole square plus SP A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta, 2AB, right, not cos theta, 2OS, right, and SP plus what? PQ square, correct? No, yeah, it's correct only. That is what R square we can write. Okay, let's do with another pen. Now in triangle, if you will see SPQ, triangle SPQ, if you will see, then we can say SQ square is equal to SP square plus what? PQ square. let's take this is 1 and this is what 2. From 1 and 2, if you see sp square anywhere, sp square, yes, pq square. Oh, instead of sq you can write what? Instead of sp square plus pq square you can write sq. See, what is our motive is we want to convert in a and b only, that's why we are doing this. So from, we can say 1 and 2, so we can say r square is equal to os square, sp plus pq square is what? Plus sq square plus 2os sp. But the problem again, we don't know here what sp. Sp we don't know, right? So if you don't know sp, then we can say here sp, this is from where to where? Okay, so spq, we want to find this angle is theta. Guys, if you write cos theta, then what you will write? Perpendicularly base by hypotenuse, right? sp by sq, right? sp by what? sq. So we can say sq cos theta is equal to sp, right? Easy, we understand. So instead of this sp, we can write this thing. So let's see, from the equation third, we can say r square is equal to os square plus, we can write sq square plus sq and sp cos theta, right? Now guys, os is what? A, and sq is what? B. So we can say a square plus b square plus sq. Acha, one more thing we can say here, anything we can add somewhere? Something is missing here. Think. Guys, it is twice, no, 2ab cos theta. So sp is what here? Sp, sq is, we know, sq is b. Okay, so 2b we can write. Sp is what? A into what? Cos theta is equal to what? R square. So r, if we can write a square plus what? B square plus what? 2ab cos theta root under of what? That's it. That is what the resultant of what? Any two vectors, if you are adding, then we can use this a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta. Let's see this alpha we want to find, guys. Now the direction, ultimately alpha indicates what here? Direction. Tan alpha, if you will write, so tan theta is this by this, that's it. So we can say OP turn perpendicular, PQ by OP, PQ by OP. Okay, so PQ, if you will see, ultimately it is A plus SP. SP we know now. SP is what? SQ cos theta. SPQ is what? A plus S, we can say ultimately B cos theta. Let's see now PQ. PQ, how we'll find? PQ is this. Again the triangle, right? So this is what this we consider here, SPQ. S P Q. So we want to find what PQ. So let's take again, this is theta. So sine theta, guys, if you'll consider perpendicular by what? Hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is what? SQ. So SQ sine theta, SQ what? Sine theta is equal to PQ. That's it. Now we can say SQ is what here? SQ is B, right? So we can write there SQ sine theta by A plus B cos theta. So SQ is what? B sine theta by A plus B cos theta, that is equal to 10 alpha. That is equal to what? 10 alpha. B sine theta by what? A plus B cos theta. A plus B what? Cos theta. That's it. Now let's see one question we are going to see. Yes. So this is the question here. The two forces whose magnitude are in the ratio of 3:5 give a result of 28 Newton. If the angle of their inclination is 60 degree, find the resultant. Find the magnitude of each force. Okay. So let's change the color. We can say forces given, if you will see here, R is equal to 28, F1 is given as 3x, F2 is given as 5x, theta is given as 60 degree. So now we can say our resultant square is equal to what? F1 square plus F2 square plus 2 F1 F2 cos 60 degree, right? Okay, so we can say 28 square and then 3x square, right? 9x square plus what? 25x square. 9 into 25, 3 into 5, 15. 15 into 2, wait, this calculation is there. 2 into 15 x square cos 60, right? Cos 60 is what? 1 by 2, no? Yeah, 1 by 2, cancel out. So now we can say 9x square plus 25x square is how much? 31. Yeah, anyway, this is also there. Cos 40 and 49, right? 49 x square is equal to 28 square. Okay, 49x square is equal to 28. 28 we can't take as square. This we can take as what? 7 square, right? So like this we can say. Now we can say square is same, so 28 we can remove, and then what? 7x. So x is equal to how much now? 4. So now we can say F1 is 12 and F2 is how much? Let's change the curve. F1 is 12 and F2 is how much? 20 Newton. So this types of question they may ask from here. Now some special cases we'll see. Special cases. Here is what? If both are parallel, A and B are parallel, then what is the angle, guys? Cos 0, right? Cos 0. Cos 0 means we can say cos 0 means what? Maximum. Cos 0 is what? 1. So we can say resultant formula is going to be a square plus b square plus 2ab. Cos 0 is anyway 1 only. So from here we can say we will get resultant is equal to a plus b, the maximum, right? Or they can write like this, vector a magnitude and vector b magnitude. Now case 2, If you will see, theta is 180 degree. Here theta is what? 0 degree. Theta is 180 degree. 180 means cos 180 is what? Minus 1. Let's see. A r square is equal to a square plus b square plus of 2a into b cos 180 degree, root under of that. So now a square plus b square minus 2ab, right, root under of that. So that is yeah, you cannot write here this, right? Fine. So from here, if you will see cos 180 value, we can say it is near about, we can say one thing here. So we can say, we can write like this way also. So this we can cancel out a minus b, right? That is equal to what? A minus of b. A minus of b, we can say mod of r is equal to a minus of b. You cannot put here mod, right? R minimum, right? That we can say here. So r, magnitude of r, if you will see, special case kind of thing. So a near about minus is equal to r magnitude or less than a plus b. That is what the answer is, right? So these cases we should remember properly. Let's see now. Next question is what here? The resultant of a is 3. The resultant of a is 3 and b is 4 can never be. The resultant of a is 3 units and b is 4 units. The resultant of a and b can never be. Option 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 units and then what? 3 units, 4 units, 8 units. Let's see. A, B, maximum it can be what? A plus B, so 7, right? Okay. Minimum 4 minus of 3, anyway 3 minus 4 mod, so 1. So it will be in the range of what? 1 and 7. It cannot be 8. So this is the answer, right? Now cos 90, third case. Third, theta is equal to what? 90 degree. Guys, resultant is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab cos 90, right? Cos 90 is what? 0. So the whole term is what? 0. So resultant is equal to what? A square plus what? B square root under of that. So this also we should know properly. That's it. Now we can say 10 alpha, if you will see here, it will be like this. A resultant is going to be somewhere here. This is R, this is, we can say, A, and this is what? B. So we can say 10 alpha is equal to what? B by A. B by R. R is what? A plus B. Or else first you write R. If you want to write R, you write, and then we can say vector B by A plus B. That also you can write, no problem. Okay, A. Let's see one question now. Last question for today's class. The mod vector A plus vector B mod is equal to, we can say, vector A mod plus vector B mod. The angle between A and B will be, the angle between what? A and B will be. So let's see. Options are given. Without options it will be tough to find. Option A is 90 degree, B 120, C 0 degree, D 60 degree. So now we can say A plus B. Vector A, see, vector A plus B means ultimately the resultant of that. A mod of A vector plus mod of B vector is not resultant. Means already we added vector A plus vector B, then mod we found. So vector A plus vector B, we can see it is a resultant, guys. And that is should be equal to what? Individually also, if you see, it will be like this. So resultant of vector A plus what? Resultant of vector B, mod of that, right? Okay. So the plus means what? Angle should be how much now? So ultimately you will get R is equal to A plus B, means maximum. Maximum means angle should be what? 0 degree. Khatam. So by that way these questions we can do. Let's see one more question. Which of the following pair of forces will never give a resultant force of 2 Newton? Okay. First option is what? 2 Newton and 2 Newton. Second option is 1 Newton and 1 Newton. Third option is 1 Newton and 3 Newton. Fourth option is 1 Newton and 4 Newton. Acha, which of the following pair of forces will never give a resultant of 2 Newton? Okay. So we can say if you subtract it, how much you will get? 0. 0 to how much? 4 maximum. It is possible, right? 1, if you will subtract 1 minus 1, so 0. 2 again what? 2. Possible. Subtract 2 and then what? 4. Possible, right? But here now let's see. Subtraction 3. 2 what? 5. 2 doesn't come in between. So this is the answer. Hope so you guys got it. Easy question. By that way we can do. Some more questions are there that we will see of this lecture in next class. Till here you guys revise. We'll see in the next class.